What's poppin', family? Welcome back to another episode of Jerry Tries Trading. In this episode, we're going to talk about the two trades I took, why I took them, and why I exited. So let's get into it. Bam! This is the Trader Sync right here. Another 100% day. This is what we need to string together. A nice $90 profit. 87 after the commissions, of course. Both of them were above 10% return, which is awesome on one contract. And I was in both trades for just under 2 hours. Today was interesting. You know, the Warriors played last night. It's superstition that I have to sacrifice my liver, and it worked. We sent the Nuggets home. Hope you guys aren't Denver fans. Sorry about it. But so I logged on late. I didn't log on until maybe 10 a.m. Pacific time. And today was probably not the day I wanted to log on late, man. Check out SPY. Damn. Haven't seen stack green candles like that in a minute. And, you know, in the beginning of the day, it's all chop. We had a gap up. I missed all this. And by the time I logged on, it was like up here somewhere. And I had FOMO, but I knew I almost didn't trade. I knew I logged on late. I wasn't prepared, you know what I mean? I didn't do no homework last night. But I looked around. I looked around at what I did have. I still had some alerts set from previous days, and some stuff popped up. And at this point, I'm like, damn, this thing is probably running out of gas or something, man. But how stacked these were and all the increasing volume, I felt like today was a good day to go bullish, to go long. On top of that, you had Pete, the red traders, all talking about, you know, this is a buy stupid kind of day. So I took their advice, but of course, I had the stocks that I picked had to go through our criteria. And let's get into it. A familiar name from yesterday, we traded Pepsi again. I wanted to trade this one because I already knew the sector strength, the stack strength was good already. It was still strong to SPY on the D1. And let's see, what was my entry? 1312. So right in here, this candle right here, making a new high a day. So I felt pretty confident to get in. Also, we tested the AEMA again. And, you know, I was still kind of fearful because the rally on SPY was crazy. And I was like, you know, you're going to get in trouble here chasing. But luckily, SPY is pretty strong today. And I got to say, man, picking stocks like this, you could be a little bit more confident. And, it's, you know, it's only been 4 days doing it. But I get it. I get why, you know, these stocks are strong. So got in this candle right here, and then in this big red candle, I was like, shit, I told you, I knew it. You shouldn't have chased. But I gave it time, and I got out at 14.53 at the top of this red candle, because it was green at the time. And I was like, oh, you don't want to miss all the gains, you know, but you know, if it gets another leg up. But at the same time, you got to take your quick moves when you could get it as well, considering the market could reverse at any time. You know, lock in some gains, man. It's a fine balance between locking in your gains and letting your winners run. 3 stack green candles, you know, I'll take that. Getting a little extended from the AEMA, I took it this time. You know what I mean? And maybe another day I might not take it, but that was a nice 15% return, $50 trade on one contract. You know, the contract was for 325, so max risk on that was 325. But you know, I wouldn't let it get to max loss. So, and you know, the D1, it pretty much, we were playing off the downward sloping algo break from yesterday, you know. And then I think by the time I got on, we were already breaking this high. Let's see, got in right here in this candle, 176.60, and the high here was 176.60. So we're breaking the high from yesterday. That's strength right there. And I still had the same price target from yesterday, which was, let me make sure I get the right PEP. Oh, the alert gets deleted. Well, my price target was the high of this candle over here. So 177.20 something, which I hit, and I took my profits. So multiple reasons to exit for me. Hit my price target, so happy with that trade. Now we'll get into the other one. WDC. I had an alert set for this. I had an alert for the break of this kind of consolidation, compression, horizontal resistance, whatever you want to call it. I had this level marked out and alerted. And it alerted for me before I even logged on. So then it was just about, going through the steps. So we had the D1 event, broke horizontal resistance. Let's see, what was the sector? XLK, which is technology. Strong compared to SPY today. And then compare WDC to the sector. XLK. Strong. Stock is strong to the sector. Then it just becomes about finding your intraday entry. And since this white line here was that horizontal resistance, and it respected it earlier in the morning, I noticed that. And then we broke through right here. So what was my entry? Show you guys exactly. 13.12, so pretty much same time as Pepsi. 13.12 in this candle right here. So let's see, where's that level? So really it would have been better if we waited for a pullback to this level, but obviously we didn't get it. The market was raging, so I just bought stupid, and at least it was a pullback to the 8. So got in right here and rode that all the way to 1444, which is right here in this candle. And so I did miss the next leg up, but my reasoning for getting out right here was SPY was putting up a stacked green candle right here, and WDC was putting up this red candle, and then the next candle was green as well. So stock was in a pullback. Maybe I read a little bit too much into the noise, but at the same time, the relative strength was going down. We were at the top of the stochastic channel, and I had a nice $40 profit on it, so I took that. And so I missed out on, what is this? Oh, and also my price target was 52.15. So I was already at my price target, and then you got to evaluate if you want to let it keep going or not. But I took it. I was being conservative considering I came on late. I missed the whole rally, so took my little profits. And if 52.15 was my price target, I missed 50 cents. So would have been a cool little like $80-$90 trade for me. But hey, put two green trades together, man. Stacking these green days. I'm loving it right now. And so just to kind of recap, this was WDC strong to SPY, sector strong to SPY, stock is strong to its sector, and then on the D1 we broke this horizontal resistance. So 4 out of 5 trade, took that bad boy. And I guess the market doing what it did today helped a lot, so looks like it finally ran out of gas here. And that's about it, guys. How'd you guys do? Did you guys keep it green? Let me know in the comments. Did you guys like my exits? Let me know. Did you guys cash in on this little SPY rally? Let me know. But again, thank you guys for watching. This is Jared Tries Trading episode 68. Leave some comments, like, subscribe, share if you think this video is helpful. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for another one. Peace.